guy gave us some power water. You can tell it got like electrolytes in it. It's pretty salty. But it tastes good though. Let's get it. Man. Warming up too. Well, my body warms up when I'm moving a lot, obviously, but hopefully we don't have to dunk. But after that pool though, man, we may have to. Let me just grab this.